We've done it, team. Mars, here we are.
Unbelievable. After all these years of preparation, we're finally standing on another planet.
Mission Control, this is Mars 1. We've landed safely. All systems are nominal.
Good job, Kevin. You're finished. All right, everyone. Let's stick to the protocol. First, a quick systems check, then we suit up.
Look at me. I'm standing on Martian soil right now.
Lily, I know you're excited, but don't forget, our mission is to explore. There's something the Askell rover left behind here. Let's take it back to Earth. Let's see. Hey guys, I found water. Oh my God, this is incredible.
Really? Are you serious?
Yeah, it seems like the wreckage of the Askell rover has been continuously generating water.